Best Law of Attraction books. The law of attraction is a concept that suggests that people can attract positive or negative experiences into their lives through their thoughts and beliefs. The idea is that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, people can bring about positive or negative experiences in their lives. Proponents of the law of attraction believe that the universe is constantly responding to a person's thoughts and that by aligning their thoughts with their desired outcome, they can manifest their desires. They believe that by maintaining a positive and optimistic mindset, and visualizing what they want, they can attract it into their lives. Critics of the law of attraction argue that there is no scientific evidence to support the idea that thoughts and beliefs can directly influence the physical world. They argue that the law of attraction is based on pseudoscience and that it is not a valid or reliable method for achieving personal or professional goals. It is important to note that the law of attraction is not universally accepted by experts in the field of personal development, and that while it may work for some people, it may not work for others. Additionally, it is not a substitute for taking action towards achieving your goals. In summary, the law of attraction is the idea that people can attract positive or negative experiences into their lives through their thoughts and beliefs. While some people find it helpful, there is no scientific evidence to support the idea that thoughts and beliefs can directly influence the physical world. It is important to remember to also take action towards your goals and not solely rely on this concept. Best books to buy to help you to succeed. More information, go to my website https://sites.google.com/view/love manifestation/home